Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use search filters in Google Drive. So there are a lot of different search filters on Google Drive, and in this video I'm going to run you through the steps on how you can use all of them and what they actually mean. So in order to use search filters, go to any of the tabs in your Google Drive and then just click on search in Drive, just like this. So first of all, what you can do is type in anything. So this is just the basics. When you do that, it will only give you that file that is actually called what you just typed in. But now let's say that we have a lot of files on our Google Drive and we want to spice it up a little bit. What we can do is use search filters, which you can access by clicking on this filter icon right here. Once you've done that, what you have is a lot of different options right here. So the first one is really easy. It's called filter type. So what filter type means, it is literally just what type of document you are searching for. So let's say that I am only searching for spreadsheets, then all I do is click on spreadsheets and then click on search, and it will only give me the search type for spreadsheets. Now let's say that we're going to the second filter option, which is called owner filter or filter owner. In order to use that, all you do is click on it and then you have a lot of different options right here. So let's say that I only want to search for filters where I am the owner for, then I just click on anyone or click on owned by me. Now let's say that I want to search for a file that is owned by anyone over on my Google Drive, I click on anyone. If I want to search for any document or file except for the ones owned by me, I just click on this one. And if I want to search for a specific person, I just click on that and I can type in the name or email address of that specific owner. Then I just click on search and it will show me all of those documents. Alright, so now let's go to the one called filter hasty words. So filter hasty words basically means that it will show me any document that has any of the words in it. So it doesn't even need to be the name, it just needs to be within the document. So it will scan the entire document. If that's the word test, I just click on search and it will show me all of the documents that has the word called test. You can literally see right here, this document is not called test, but because this document has words in it called test, it will still show me that document. Alright, so once we've done that, we can now go to filter item name, and that's of course really easy. Just type in anything you want and it will only show that specific file with that name. So it can be test123 and it will show me still that thing. It just needs to have the name within the file. So just click on search and it will find all of those files that has the exact test basically in it, or the exact name. Alright, so once we have done that, what we can also do is go and head over to filter location. Filter location basically means it will only show me that certain file basically from that location. So I just click right here and you can literally change any location. You can either change it from my drive, share it with me, more locations, anywhere. That's of course pretty easy. Location, my drive means it will only show me the files from my drive. Now let's say that I only want to see basically files that are in the trash. I just click on that, click on search, and it will show me only those files. Alright, so once we have done that, we can also head over to filter date modified. It's really easy. It will show me only the files that are modified in that certain time period I select. So let's say I only want to find files that I have basically modified in the last 7 days. I just click on that, click on search, and it will only show me those files. Alright, once we've done that, we have filter approvals. Filter approvals is really easy. You have awaiting my approval or request by me. It basically just means it will only show me files that have currently an approval, either awaiting for my approval or that are actually requested by me. So let's say I want to do a request by me, I just click on search and it will only show me those files that are awaiting approval requested by me. Alright, once we've done that, we can also go and head over to filter shared to. This means that only will show me files that are actually shared to a specific person. So let's say I type in someone's email address and I just click on search and it will only basically show me those files that are actually shared to that specific email. Really obvious. Alright, and the last one is follow-ups. This is also really easy. It's literally just a comment someone basically leaves over on your document, and then you can just either select any basically comment only, suggestions only, or comments assigned to me only. And you can just click one and then click on search and you are good to go. And that are basically all of the different search filters you have in Google Drive. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.